What it do, y'all? It's your boy Charles, aka FaithGains. I'm back in the building. I know it's been a hot minute since I made a fitness video, like an actual long fitness video. All right, but it's time to get back on that grind. All right, so y'all see the title of this video? It's called How to Get Your First Pull-Ups. Fitness made simple. Guys, listen, stop getting caught up on the Instagram and the YouTube. What these guys doing backflips and with 145 pounds. Listen, we ain't on that. Alright? If you can do it, God bless you, brother. If you can do that, God bless you, sister. But fitness is very simple. The problem is we over ingest too much information to the point where honestly we just get straight up confused. All right, so we're gonna take it back to the basics, right? Because if you ain't got a solid foundation, everything else is gonna crumble. All right, and in this video I'm gonna teach you guys how to get your first pull-up. Fitness made simple. This is no joke. This ain't no you gotta buy something. No, listen, only thing you might have to get, I don't know if you can see, you might have to get some bands, but I'm gonna show you how to also do this in the gym as well. So we're gonna hop right into the video. All right, so if you got a park or somewhere with a bar where you can hook your bands onto, we're gonna start with the bands. All right, very simple. I'm gonna give you guys the rep range. Right now, if you never done a pull-up before, right, I'm gonna recommend you start. I don't know if the train is loud, but you should be able to hear me still. I'm gonna recommend that you start with a pyramid set rep range. Why? 1, repetition is the mother of skill. 2, this will allow you to get more reps in, which means you will get better at the move faster and you will get stronger faster, right? And 3, you won't get cooked during the workout. You're not gonna feel the soreness from this kind of rep range to probably tomorrow. All right, if you're a beginner. Well, not just a beginner, because you can do the rep range, you can go high numbers, so it is what it is. But I'm just get right into it. All right, so let's go. So what you're gonna do, I got a black band, as you can see. I got a purple band, right? The purple band is a little bit thicker. The purple band can handle more weight, right? The black band can handle less weight. All right, now if you're new to this, right, they got bands that are bigger, thicker, and heavier than this, right? Start with heavier bands. But for the sake of this video, I bought bands specifically for my skill set and my weight. All right, so this is what we're going to do. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, y'all, is we're gonna start with just getting on the band. All right, so the way you get on the band, right, you're not gonna pull from here, right? Go a little bit higher than the bottom, pull it down, and put your knee inside, right? The first thing you wanna do, you wanna get it at least about, I'm gonna say mid shin, like right here. All right, first thing you want to do, right? Second thing you want to do, we just want to grab onto the bar, right? Grab onto the bar, right? Now you can use a grip. I'm gonna use no thumb grip. All right, for me that's more comfortable, so I'm gonna use no thumb. All right, so we're gonna grab onto the bar, right? Now we want to activate our scapula. That's gonna help us stabilize our back, so when we go up and down, our pull-up form is not all flimsy. All right, chances are if you've never done pull-ups before, your scapulas are weak, right? So you need to learn how to hold them up while you do your pull-up. All right, so my cue that I teach, very simple. Like I said, let's not complicate this thing. All right, you're gonna put your hands on the bar, and all you're gonna do, I call it NTC. My clients know this as nipples to ceiling, right? You're gonna grab onto the bar, nipples to ceiling, right? You see my chest pointed up, right? That's it. Scapula is activated. Bingo, right? And we want to start with 3 reps. That's it. All right, 3 reps. Let me bring the camera back a little bit more so y'all can actually see me doing the reps. All right, I'm gonna bring it back a little bit so y'all can see me. All right, and we just want to start with 3 reps. All right, y'all can see everything. All right, band down, knee in, hands on the bar, nipples to ceiling. 3 reps. 1, 2, 3. Take a break. Your break is gonna be from 1 to 2 minutes, depending on your fitness level. All right. Now, after our break, right, what we want to do is 2 reps. So the pyramid set, and you start with your high, go all the way down to 1. So we're doing 3, 2, 1. All right. If you can do more at your own discretion. The reason why I say own discretion is because you might burn yourself out. Listen, guys, start with a few. Start with a few. Be faithful with a few first, and then you can add on more. All right. So we're gonna do our 2 reps. All right. So we're going back to the band. Right. Knee down, knee in the band. Right. Hands on the bar, nipples to ceiling. 1, 2. Take a break. All right. Now, if you are in the gym, right, this actually might be easier to do in the gym, right? Because in the gym, you got the actual pull-up machine, the resistance machine, where you put your knees on the pads and you do your pull-ups, right? And on the side, it has a weight stack, right? The weight stack subtracts from your actual weight. Okay, so let's say you 300 pounds, right? You put the weight stack on 150. When you do your pull-up, you're actually doing 150 pounds, right? Now the key to this, right? The key to this is how I teach with my clients, right? Once you can get to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, all the way down, and you can do that for about maybe 2 rounds. So you do 5 to 1 and then 5 to 1. Once that gets easy, then you go up by like 1 pen. Guys, do not rush this process. All right. A lot of us, we get impulsive, we get excited. Oh, word, I could do 5 all the way down to 1. Word, because 5 down to 1 is 15 reps, if I'm not mistaken, if my math serves me correct, right? That's 15 reps. And you're not even going to be that cooked. And if you do it twice, that's 30 reps, right? And you're not going to be that cooked, and you're going to get stronger faster. Now the problem is people get excited. Oh, word, if I could do 15, maybe I could do 10 straight. Rip the pec off, bicep torn, because you are still carrying a bit of weight. So once that weight starts to come down, then you can pump it up, you know what I'm saying? Then you can go a little bit harder, you know what I'm saying? But take your time, all right? Let's get our last rep in, okay? 1 rep, right? Band down, knee in, grab the bar, nipples to ceiling. 1, come down. That's the workout. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less, right? Matter of fact, I'll add this. You could even go for a second round, right? Go for a second round. And what you might actually find out is, now that your biceps is warmed up, your back is warmed up, you might be able to start at 4, right? You might be able to start at 4, all right? So let's say 3, 2, 1. Let's do a little basic math. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. You just did 6 reps, right? That's a start, right? Same thing. If you're in the park with the ball with the bands, right? Once this gets easier, you up the rep range by 1 rep. So you start at not 1 rep, but you start at 6 now, right? So let's say, matter of fact, let's go back to 3. I don't want to confuse anyone. You did 3, 2, 1, cool. You do that. I recommend trying this twice a week, at least twice a week. You'll get stronger faster. I'm not an advocate of super fast, but the pyramid set rep range is gonna actually can't knock the result. It's gonna make you stronger faster because it's gonna allow you to do a lot more without getting cooked. All right. So you start at 3, 2, 1. Do this twice a week. Maybe do this for 2 weeks. I would say 3 weeks max. 4 weeks if the results is coming super slow, right? And then you up it to 4 reps. Then you do 4, 3, 2, 1. You do that for 2 weeks. You do that for about 3 to 4 weeks. Then you up it to 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then as you get stronger, you start feeling, you know, more comfortable with the move. Go and up it up with the band. Now, this is what I'm gonna tell you. We're gonna make this up. We're gonna do the full breakdown. Once you lose the band, you might have to go back to that 3 again because you don't have the support of the band. But guess what? You can now do pull-ups on your own. Same thing. You get rid of the band, you start back down. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Do that for 3 to 4 weeks, then you go up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you don't even need the band. Now you cooking, right? Now I call it the cookhouse. Now you in the cookhouse. You steaming right now. You cooking up, right? And then you just keep increasing. Like I said, every 3 to 4 weeks, right? Listen, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Do not smoke yourself trying to impress somebody or trying to go faster than you need to. Take your time with this, y'all. All right? Got any questions? Comment below. Holla at your boy. God bless. I love y'all. Peace.